Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio, where we are dedicated to restoring confidence and changing lives through our state-of-the-art hair restoration techniques. Today, we will take you through the process of Strand-by-Strand ultimate procedure, which is a surgical hair restoration, one of our most effective solutions for hair loss. Our highly skilled and experienced team of surgeons will perform a minimally invasive procedure that involves extracting healthy hair follicles from the donor area of the scalp, which both the sides and back of the scalp, and implanting them into the thinning or balding areas. Using cutting-edge technology and precision instruments, our surgeons carefully extract each follicle one by one, ensuring that the surrounding tissue is not damaged in the process. At Advanced Hair Studio, we understand that hair loss can be a sensitive topic. That's why we offer our patients a comfortable and relaxing environment during the procedure, allowing them to feel at ease while we work to restore their hair and confidence. After the procedure, our clients can expect to see natural-looking results in 8 to 10 months that will last a lifetime. Our Strand-by-Strand ultimate procedure is the perfect solution for those looking to regain a full head of hair and the confidence that comes with it. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from one of our satisfied customers who has experienced the life-changing benefits of our surgical hair restoration procedure.
Well, I'm here at the Advanced Hair Studio, a place where I came 7-8 years ago. With age, your hair starts thinning, and I've been so fortunate to come here because they've looked after me and looked after my natural hair and got it back to where it was. So thank you, Advanced Hair Studio. It's been great so far.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of surgical hair restoration. If you are interested in learning more about our state-of-the-art techniques and how they can help you restore your hair and confidence, contact us today to schedule a consultation with one of our hair experts. Remember, you have only one life, one opportunity, one time investment, and a lifetime of high